How to log into Paramount Plus. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you log into your Paramount Plus account. So in order to log into your Paramount Plus, you want to make sure you already have an account, and to begin with, you're connected to a stable internet as well. If you're using your mobile device or the app version, you want to install the app first thing. So head over to your respective app store and install Paramount Plus. Once you're done installing Paramount Plus, click on the open button, and now you just want to go ahead and click on the login button. As soon as you type in the login button, you will then be prompted to the next field where you will be asked to type in either your phone number or the email address. Once done entering the email or the phone number, then you'll be prompted to enter in the PIN or the password. As done entering the password, you then need to click on the sign in button, and with that you'll have successfully logged into your Paramount Plus. However, due to some security concern, if you're not able to access your account, then you could just go ahead and simply restart the device or maybe reset your password. That might definitely help you out. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.